Hello, I'm Dave Lopez, the owner of Advanced Roofing here in Alameda, California. We do residential roofing, all types. We do light commercial roofing, all types, also gutters as well. We specialize in complete historical restoration to an old Victorian home. So I've had 45 years of experience in the roofing industry, 25 as a roofer and a superintendent, 20 years as a business owner of Advanced Roofing. Our roofers are journeyman roofers. They have experience many years on all types of roofing. That means they're well-rounded. We do shingles, we do tar and gravel, rubber roofing, single-ply roofing, all of it. We can adapt to any type of roof system. So all our jobs are kicked off. I meet with the client before the job starts. We go over things, and then I meet with them when the job's completed, either myself, John, my partner, or Dave Jr., my other partner. Our last client that we did a roof for, they went back east to New York for a week and a half. They didn't want to be around during the roofing operation, so they gave us a key to their house for electrical power, also a key for their automobile to move it around during the process. So when they came back, they were just beside themselves to see the brand new roof that met their expectations, as well as the clean landscape, and the windows had been washed and the property just well kept after the roof was completed. I'm put on this planet to put roofs on. It's just the excitement, the movement from structure to structure, city to city. It just keeps me going. It keeps me interested and doing a great job and seeing the people's self-satisfaction once we're completed with a roof. So if you're looking for a good roofer, call Advanced Roofing. I would be happy to come out and meet with you and go over all your roofing questions.